Hello guys, welcome in our second session of HTML. This session we will cover what are elements, what attributes, types of attributes, what is image tag and anchor tag. Okay, so we will start our session. What is element? Okay, elements is the combination of opening and closing tag. See how we can declare any element. So this is the opening tag, this is the p tag. Okay, opening p tag, and this is the contain, and this is closing tag. See, this is the full, the combination of opening and closing tag is called as element. Within one content is there. Okay, so elements is the combination of opening and closing tag. Within content is place. Okay, there are two types of there are the next one is attributes. Okay, so attributes is provides an extra information to the element or tag. Okay, so it will always come with value, name and value pair. Okay, also it is written in a opening tag, and there are core attributes are dot style, class, id and title. Okay, so class, how we can this is the example of element. So this is p tag, and we have to write any attribute in the opening tag. Okay, this is the example of class attribute. So class equals to this is the value, this is the name of the attribute. There are we can there are more types of attributes. Name equals to, in double quote we have to write value. Okay, then close the opening tag, then content is placed, then closing tag. In closing tag we have to write forward slash. Okay, then p and close the angular bracket. Okay, this is the example of elements. Then next, full structure of the HTML using style attribute. Style attribute is used to style the tag. Okay, there are the more types of attributes. So first of all, how we can open the VS Code. Okay, so if we install VS Code in our system, then in any file structure we can open directly from our directory. Okay, see how we can open. If we have to open in this folder, first of all create any folder with the name, and if we have to open in this folder, so right click in that folder and click on the open with folder. Okay, so it will be open in VS Code. Okay, then first is welcome page are is there, and close it by clicking on the cross button. Okay, see, and this is the explorer, file explorer, and here you have to where folder directory. Okay, in this folder we can create a new file. See how we can create new file. Click on the create new file option, and here we have to write a name of the file. Okay, the first first .html. .html extension is mandatory. It says that first .html is already there, so we have to change the name of the file. Okay, so click on the enter. This will be create new file and open it. Okay, then how we can use shortcut for creating HTML structure. Okay, for that we have to install these two extensions. Search in the extension box. This is the extension box, and search here. Okay, search box. First one is prettier. Prettier is used to prettier is gives us to shortcut. Okay, prettier. This first one is the prettier extension. We have to install it. Okay, click on the install button and install it in your VS Code. Then next is second one is live server. Okay, search live server. This is the interface of live server, and click on the install button and install it in your VS Code software. Okay, then we can, if we write exclamation mark and enter, this will be provide predefined structure of HTML. Okay, so here we have to write our code in the body. Okay, see, this is the first .html, and this is the new .html. See, in this page we will see the types of headings. Okay, so h1 to h6, h1 to h6 is the types of headings. Okay, h1 is the largest size of the heading. Second is h2, third h3, h4, h5, h6. Its heading types are up to s6, h6. Okay, then p tag is used to declare para. Okay, this is the example of HTML page. Okay, the next, all attributes we will discuss in following session. Okay, then next, image tag used to add image in the HTML file. Okay, so how we can add, I will use image address. So search on browser, nature images. Here are the images.